Welcome to the top best. The best Dollar Shave Club Blades Executive is probably one of the most sought-after grooming tools for men who demand a superior shave without breaking the bank, offering a remarkable blend of quality, affordability, and convenience that has revolutionized the way we approach our daily grooming routines, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a consistently close and comfortable shave every single time. Number 5. Shaving Revolution Double-Edge Razor Blades. Discover a new era in shaving with our double-edge razor blades. Designed for men, they offer a superior shaving experience. Crafted from premium platinum Japanese stainless steel, these blades ensure exceptional sharpness and durability. Get a close and comfortable shave every time. Achieve a perfectly smooth, precise, and clean shave with every use. Our blades are engineered to glide effortlessly across your skin, minimizing irritation. These blades are specifically designed for use with men's safety razors. They provide the perfect fit for a secure and effective shaving experience. This pack contains 50 blades, ensuring you have a fresh, high-quality blade ready whenever you need it. Enjoy long-lasting performance and value. What we like. Experience the ultimate in precision with platinum Japanese stainless steel. These blades offer an incredibly smooth and clean shave. If you prefer a traditional wet shave and demand the sharpest edge, these are for you. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The pivoting head allows for easy maneuvering around facial contours. Number 4. Dollar Shave Club 6-Blade Razor Refills. Introducing the 6-Blade Razor Refills from Dollar Shave Club. Designed for an exceptionally close and comfortable shave every time. Each refill features 6 high-quality stainless steel blades. They work together to provide a smooth and precise shave. Get a full year of incredible shaves with this 12-pack. It's the smart way to keep your razor ready. The advanced design ensures maximum comfort, reducing irritation. Enjoy a superior shaving experience without compromise. Simply swap out your old blades for these new ones. Maintaining your perfect shave has never been easier. Trust Dollar Shave Club for quality grooming essentials. These refills deliver the performance you expect. What we like. Achieve a remarkably close and comfortable shave with its advanced 6-blade system. Designed for convenience and value, this pack ensures you're always ready. If you want a consistently smooth shave without irritation and appreciate bulk savings, this is a great choice. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The pivoting head allows for easy maneuvering around contours. Number 3. Amazon Basics MOTIONSPHERE Men's Razor. Experience a superior shave with the Amazon Basics MOTIONSPHERE Men's Razor. Designed for comfort and precision, it delivers an exceptional grooming experience. Its innovative 5-blade system glides effortlessly over your skin. The dual lubrication and vitamin E ensure a smooth, irritation-free shave every time. Tackle tricky areas with the built-in precision trimmer. Achieve clean lines and perfect styling with ease. This set includes 1 handle and 16 cartridges, providing long-lasting performance. You'll have everything you need for months of great shaves. The sleek black design not only looks good but feels comfortable in your hand. Elevate your daily routine with this essential grooming tool. Upgrade your shave with the Amazon Basics MOTIONSPHERE Razor. It's the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and value for the modern man. What we like. Discover a shave that adapts to you with its innovative MOTIONSPHERE technology. Enhanced with dual lubrication and vitamin E, it glides effortlessly. If you have sensitive skin or a face with many contours, this razor's flexibility and conditioning will provide superior comfort. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The pivoting head allows for easy maneuvering around facial contours. Number 2. Dollar Shave Club Men's Razor Mixed Starter Kit. Introducing the Dollar Shave Club Men's Razor Mixed Starter Kit. Get ready for a comfortable and smooth shave every time. This kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll find one handle and a variety of blade cartridges. It comes with both a 4-blade cartridge and a 6-blade cartridge. This ensures you have the right tool for any shaving need. Enjoy a close, comfortable shave with our high-quality blades. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to smooth skin. This is the perfect shaving solution for any man. Upgrade your grooming routine with this essential kit. Don't miss out on this incredible value. Order your Dollar Shave Club Men's Razor Mix Starter Kit now and transform your shave. What we like. This starter kit offers versatility, letting you try both 4 and 6 blade options with an included handle. It's perfect for discovering your preferred shave. If you're new to the brand or want to experiment to find the perfect blade for your needs, this kit is an excellent starting point. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The pivoting head allows for easy maneuvering around contours. Number 1. Dollar Shave Club 6-Blade Razor Refill Cartridges. Get ready for an incredibly close shave. Our advanced blades are designed for ultimate precision. Achieve a perfectly smooth finish every time. These cartridges ensure you shave with unparalleled accuracy. Discover the difference 6 blades can make. They work together to lift and cut hairs effortlessly. Never run out of your favorite razor blades. This pack provides you with 4 convenient refills. Elevate your daily grooming with superior performance. Enjoy a comfortable and effective shave. Trust in the quality you expect. These refills are made to deliver consistent results. What we like. Get an exceptionally close shave with the precision of its 6-blade design. These refills are engineered for maximum closeness and minimal effort. If you're seeking that perfectly smooth finish and want to tackle even tough stubble with ease, these cartridges deliver outstanding results. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The lubricating strip helps to reduce irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.